Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com making this video about gold. All right, so let's get started. This is the chart I made in October 2022. This is a gold monthly chart where I'm showing here that we are going for wave 5 to the upside after finishing this wave 4 here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. By the way, this is whole thing is wave 5 as well. Of this wave 3, 4, and then wave 5, and wave 5 will have 5 subwaves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The weekly version of this chart is this. This is wave 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, 4, and then we're supposed to go up for wave 5, a little bit higher than wave 3, and that shows in this chart here, right? So I said 5 here, somewhere a little bit higher than wave 3. So after a whole year, this is wave, right now this chart I made on December 22, and as of today, December 23, we are here, right? So we started go up, down, whatever, in this fashion, and finally we reached a little bit higher than wave 3. We were here, and then since then we are dropping, right? So how we are dropping is this. Now this chart, a smaller time frame, my Renko charts. So this was the top it made, and then it started to drop here, right? Let me see if the weekly chart I'll show you here. Yeah, so see, this was the highest it made as wave 5, and then it started to drop. So this drop from this rise and then this drop, what is really happening is this. All right, so it went up this way, and now it's dropping. So this chart I made in December 23rd, 11th December, that we will be going to the upside somewhere from here, right? Just around like 1987 or maybe 1982 or something like that. So what happened? This dropped a little bit and then it went up, like next chart will show you. So it came down here all the way, a little bit below 1987, and then it started go up and now dropping. So what is happening now? That's the question, right? We are currently doing this. So I made a new chart, which is like this. So somewhere here, we're going to be going to the upside back to 2080. That would be wave 1 or A, and then 2 or B, followed by 3 or C to the upside. Now, what is happening here and how we can get in? That is the question. So we're supposed to go down a little bit more here somewhere, around 61%, or maybe lower than that, and then we'll make the turn. So the next chart will show you what is going to happen. This is my smaller time frame chart, entry chart, you can say, not even entry chart, but smaller time frame. Now you can see here that this rise is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, and then wave C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is how it's going to come down. Now this trade you see this open here right now, this is based on the Elliott wave strategy, not my Magic Ivy system. The entry system that I have, that's different. Different studies, different approach, right? So usually I don't show this one. I take trades like this, but I don't show and teach. I teach only my creative trading system, IB system. So now this is what's happening. Now, why am I sure that this is happening? Not sure, but convinced that this might happen is because it happened already somewhere else. Let me show you that. Now, this is basic phenomena. This is like, the price goes up in 5 waves, then come back in 3 waves. Here usually is like a Gertley or bad pattern, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in wave C. So this is exactly what happened here, the US dollar index 40-minute chart. You see that this was the top, then you have A, ABC, B, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So based on this chart, and this is the higher time frame, the current before chart, what I'm expecting is this. You can clearly see that it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is going to be finishing with C, and it did. And this is another diagram showing this is what happened usually. And this gold is doing exactly the same thing. After finishing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, and then wave C will have 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's what I'm expecting. And from there, and this is the chart that it is based on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wave C will finish, right? So this is the key chart here right now. And somewhere here, I'm expecting here to, the danger, another danger is that if this is wave 3, then this is wave 4. If it is, then we will go right from here to the upside for wave 5. I don't think so. This is my second scenario, but my first preference is that we're gonna go down wave 3, a little bit, pull up wave 4, and another push to the downside for wave 5. Wave 2 will be finished here, around 61%, and then big wave 3 will come, and then we will go back to 2080. Right? So this is how this gold is behaving right now. So just wanted to show you guys, share with you. So trade accordingly, and if you like my system and you want to get it, then go on my website and get it. It's available there. Okay, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful rest of the weekend.